word the user is thinking of. With the help of clues, this application can surely give the users an accurate answer. Basically, it is a guessing game. The user will give clues, then the computer or the program will identify what is that word. How to use the application. The user has to specify how many letters does the word contain. Then the program will display group of letters and let the users choose which group has the first letter, the second, and so on and so forth. After asking twice for the order of letters, the guess word will be displayed.
For the program sequence, for example, the user will think of a word, for example, Google. Then the program will ask for the number of characters in the word. For example, it's for Google, it's a six-letter word. And then a group of letters will be prompted in the screen depending on the number of characters the user inputs. So it will be divided by 26. So 6 divided by 26 is after the 6 divided by 5. And then I and then the program will ask which group has the first letter, second, third, and so on and so forth. So for example, the first letter is letter G, so it will be listed on the first column, G, first row, the GHIJKL. The six letters will be listed in the first row, and then so on. And then it will be arranged again. It will be arranged again, and then the user will choose the column again, and then the word is Google.
Okay, this is how our program looks, and unfortunately, it's not finished yet, but it's all scratch. So, from the group mates said, just like this is how the program works actually. The user will choose a word only in his or her mind. Let's say it out loud. Example, the user will give six letters. So the program will divide and generate a row which consists of six letters per row. That's exactly how the program works. And the user will input down here. It generates six fields, and the user will input the row. Example, the first letter is found at row 1, so input here 1. Second is O and 2. And 3 and 4. So if the user will click this result, actually it will display the word from the user mind. But epic fail. We tried to so many things to work out this, but it's we are very new to Dart, and we just started learning Dart yesterday. And most of our group are PHP babies actually, so it's kind of hard to implement PHP languages and ideas to Dart because Dart is very case sensitive for some reasons. Most likely it's like JavaScript and C++, something like that. So I think this is all we can do, and thank you.